If this video helps you any, please like this video so we know that you like the content, and we'll be able to get some more videos like this on. And please subscribe to the channel so you'll be alerted when more videos are uploaded. Also, if you're looking for any specific firearm to be disassembled and reassembled, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it uploaded and online. Alright, today we're going to disassemble and reassemble the JA NINE. This is the full-size Jimenez arms, but they also have the JA LC380 as well, and they disassemble exactly the same. Alright, this one has been cleared, nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine well, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop the slide. Now this one has this little button back here, and all we're going to do is we're going to push this button in with our thumb right here, and then we're going to slide the slide back, pick up on it, and slide it off. So pushing the button in, slide it back, pick up, sliding off, being careful not to let the spring shoot away. Alright, the frame and the barrel, that's disassembled as far as we're going to go. We're not going to go any further with this. Alright, there are a couple things in there that when you're cleaning it, you have some stuff that could really come off very easily. This sear pin right here, right there, is not attached very well. This little bracket, if it comes off, this is part of your trigger mechanism. It will pop off, that will fall out, so be very careful with that. Alright, and then the spring, it has the little guide rod basically attached to the spring, and it also has a barrel, what I call a barrel washer, that goes, the barrel goes through and seats with the spring and holds it all in place. But this is as far as we're going to pull the slide apart as well, so we wouldn't pull this any further for most of you, just to do a basic cleaning. Now to put it back together, we're going to take the frame, we're going to take the spring, look down in there, you got that little hole, put the spring in it, seat it, kind of let it rest. Now we've got to watch this barrel, I call it a washer, they call it a barrel nut, but I call it a washer because it's not threaded, so I call it a washer. And this is your guide rod right here. So now you got to be careful with it, because you've got a little some parts down in there. You got to have it sit in the grooves and stuff. So we've got to start it in, kind of finagle it down in there so it's going to start lining up. And this one is not the simplest of firearms to put back together. Not at all. Because you've got to get it down in there, and then you've got to make sure it goes in the barrel nut. That's what I'm fighting with. Okay, so I've got it slid onto the barrel nut. Alright, now I've got it started in the barrel nut. Now I've got to push this button right here back down, slide it back, release it onto the slide, and that this button right here is actually part of the slide, one of the guides on the slide. So that's why you have to push that in, so that guide will fit in there, and then everything lines up properly. And that's all there's to it, taking it apart and putting it back together. We're going to rack it a couple of times, pull that trigger, rack it, pull that trigger, and it's good to go. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.